Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I am back. So today, I'm gonna be testing out some Vinyl Frog vinyl wrap film. We have their, I believe this is their satin black. I'm gonna just wrap the mirrors on my Cruise. Not a special car at all. It's just a vehicle that I have readily available to me to do this with. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see what I think about this vinyl. I'm gonna try to wrap the mirror in one piece. I know I've been able to do it with other vinyls before, like Avery and stuff. I love Avery, so we're gonna test this out and see what Vinyl Frog does for us. This is the vinyl here. This is the, like I said, I believe this is the satin black from Vinyl Frog. As you can see, their logo there. This is the mirror that we're gonna wrap. We got rounded piece here. It's got a pretty good bend to it, but it's not a big piece. And then some subtleness. It's not nothing crazy. Something that should easily be able to be done in one piece. So we're gonna see if we can knock this out in one piece with Vinyl Frog. So I did already go ahead and wipe this down with alcohol. Got it wiped down. It is ready to go. So I'm gonna just grab my piece here. Obviously a little bit bigger than what you actually need. I'm gonna pull all the back off. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna lay that down in there right away. And I'm gonna come in here with heat and then go down. So for, I want to give ourselves a little bit more room here. Well, I have no idea how this film's actually going to react to this. Alright, so we've got the main piece stretched in. We're just going to have to do a little heat here. Bring that down. So far, it's actually working fairly good. So here I'm just going to heat and lay it down. And it's just going to kind of fall into place there. And here, take this and I'm just going to heat up a little bit and just a slight stretch down. Take our tri-edge squeegee. All right, so right now I'm just gonna go over all my edges, make sure it's all down, and I'm just gonna go slow heat and then push the hard edge of my squeegee into that corner. Just making sure nothing's gonna lift up there. And then after that, you can go ahead and do your trims. I think my favorite part about this black is that it actually matches your trim, like all the plastic trims, pretty close. Pretty impressively close, actually. Okay, so that is mirror wrapped. All right, so all I gotta do now is trim all my edges. This mirror is fully wrapped in one piece, looking really good. It's down nice and solid with Vinyl Frog satin black. So I'm gonna take my 30-degree blade, freshly snapped, and just run it along. Inside that. Do the same thing here. All right, now that we got our trims down, we can just go ahead and pull this vinyl off. And we have got a nicely wrapped mirror that will not be failing anytime soon. Alright guys, so that is it for the mirror wrap video. Now I've officially tested, done a good test on the Vinyl Frog. I tried doing one previously. I kind of failed that video and lost the footage and stuff, so thought I'd come back and shoot a little how-to on quick little easy one-piece mirror wrap using Vinyl Frog's satin black. If you guys want to check out Vinyl Frog, I'll link them down in the description below. They got lots of really cool colors. Check them out. Hit that subscribe button. We got lots of cool content coming along with a move. We're moving shops, so I'll be filming some of that. So stay tuned. Come along for the ride. Thanks for watching.